These are the basement escalators here at Burlington 6th Avenue. Schindler's. I'll wait for you down here. I'll meet you down here LL2. This goes from LL2 to LL1. Now let's walk over to the down escalator. Alright, let's go head down. Over there's the stairs. Now it's time to head over to the down. Let's go to the down. The main escalators here are broken. Man, I hope I'm not caught by a worker. Otis. Wow, old Otis. Wow, an old Otis. You see the store's impressive architecture. Very, very solid Otis escalator. Typical Otis escalator. Pretty weird. Otis.